Hi, welcome back to CSS, and in this video we're going to talk about CSS lists. CSS includes a number of list properties to help you style your HTML lists. Now my students, if you have seen, whenever you come across lists in a web page, lists could be ordered or unordered, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 list of items, or it could be bulleted items. All of these have a special code going on in the backend, and CSS helps you design better lists. Okay, in HTML version of the video of this course, I covered lists, ordered and unordered lists, but we did not have the flexibility to improve the presentation of our web page. So now you have a chance to improve your CSS list styles. You could add, okay, let me get rid of that. You could add images, you could add a style position, you could change the position of your list, you could add any kind of marker style, and we're going to talk all about that in this video. Okay, so let's get started with the basic list. Okay, so if you want a bulleted list style, all you need to do is define this property here. Okay, this for example, list, I'm just typing this is not code. Okay, list style type. Okay, these are the possible values for these properties. The list, style and type are the values for the list property, and you need to be able to define each of them. Okay, let's try to add a list within this body. Okay, and let's start with an unordered list, UL. You've learned this before, this is nothing new. In HTML you've done UL and OL, unordered list and ordered list. In the CSS section you will describe how to create better lists. Alright, now let's go ahead and create an order list. UL style is equal to list style type is circle. Okay, CIRCLE, circle, semicolon, inverted commas closed and bracket closed. Okay, hang in there, just watch what I'm doing. Then the first item in the list is LI, list item 1. For example, I'm just writing self-explanatory text so that you're able to make out what is being written in what location of your list. Okay, LI list item 2. Okay, LI, that's it. And then you have to close the unordered list tag. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and save it. You were expecting an unordered list with a circle type of bullet. Okay, let's take a look. Save as, I'm going to save it as CSS list, and I'm also going to save it as HTML file like this, all files, and I think I have it here, but you know what, I'm just going to do it again, CSS list.html. okay, all right, let me try to run the file. CSS list, there you go. Okay, CSS list item 1, list item 2. Okay, now this is plain vanilla. Let me try to do some styling on it. Okay, what you need to do is, let's go back here. Okay, let's try to apply style to this plain list here. What I'm going to do is I'm just going to say, alright, UL, open the bracket and say UL style is equal to list style image. Okay, and you could say I have a file here and I saved it as printer.gif as a GIF image. Okay, and I also, it looks something like this. I hope you can see it. Yes. Okay, and I have another file, printer.png. Okay, I have been trying both file versions, but my browser is not reading it. But nevertheless, I'm still going to go ahead and try again. Just write printer.gif. Okay, and semicolon. Okay, and close inverted commas. And after that, close the bracket. Okay, and then start writing li list item 1. Okay, li, close the li, and then you have li list item 2, close the li list tag. Okay, and then in the end close the unordered list tag. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and save it. What you should be seeing here is which I am not able to see here. You're supposed to see here tiny icons of the printer. Okay, which would help you create an image instead of these bullets. So this is an additional layer of style applied to your code. My browser unfortunately is not able to read GIF files for icons, not able to read PNG files for icons. So you can try it, and if you have any luck, please email or please add a message below the video. Okay, the next style that I want to try is list style position. Okay, it determines whether the bullet is located inside the list containing box or outside. Okay, so merely, I mean, what you're trying to do here is you're trying to change the position of the list. Okay, for example, let me try to do this. List style, instead of image, I would like to do position. Okay, that's what you're dealing with here, position, right inside. Okay, semicolon and inverted commas closed. The rest of the things are the same. List item 1, list item 2, close the unordered list, and then I want you to open up another unordered list, ul, and say style is equal to list style position outside inverted commas closed. Okay, li list item 1. Okay, and then do list item 2 and close the list tag, and in the end close the unordered list tag. So what you've basically accomplished here is you are changing the position of these lists. One list position is inside, the other list position is outside. assuming that I haven't made any syntax errors. Let's see. There you go. One list is inside, okay, and the other list is outside. All right. What's next? List style is next, okay, and let me cover that in the next video, okay. And with that, I'm going to conclude this current video and see you in the next video. Take care. Bye bye.